everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, it's pretty nice and kind of amazing. I hope you like it. Let's start to creating. The only thing that's hard to creating about that, oh, it's nice. The only thing that is a problem on creating that thing is that, let me just delete them, is to create this shape. The first thing is that you need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, you format the background and set your picture from here. After adding that, apply it to all, so all the pictures look the same. Then you need to insert a shape like this, then align it center, then one here, then shape outline to none and white. You see the effect is created. You can also change the arc if you want. Then have the text like this. And then copy that and each time bring a text in. And like this, create all the text, then set the transition to morph. It's just a simple point of repetitions. And then your picture is done, just like this. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.